Trying it again. I'm sending the drone back to the area. Oops, I don't want to do that. The stupid record button. I really hate that button in the back. You hit it all the time. By mistake, you don't want to, but you do. I'm gonna fly back here again because what I did last night, I created a it's hard to talk and think at the same time, paying attention to what I'm doing. A super slow motion video of where my drone went down, and I just took off from the same spot, and it was at a distance of 1,392 feet away. This is where I'm going. That's putting me in a different area. $1,392. Try to get right. That's not putting me in a different area. That's about right. There's 1,392 feet away. And if it's down there, I mean, I will walk down there, but I'm not going to see it in this with all the snow on the ground. I was hoping that with the sun at a higher angle right now, I'd be able to see into the water a little better. But it looks like that ain't gonna happen. So what I'm gonna do is switch over to my DJI or the DroneDeply app. I shortened the mission a little bit. Third Creek. Do the checklist, and everything is good, so I'm going to start. And I've already flown at this altitude. I moved the search grid up a little bit. There's a little bit of ground down there. That black thing right there, that is like a tarp or something. See, I know, I've been down there. I've also got a GoPro stuck to the top of this, so I got forward video. $1,300 feet away is a little bit more towards the ground. It's not so much over the creek, and the thing was moving at the time. With the last contact I had, it was moving forward at 22 miles an hour. So, given the direction, I believe it was spinning partially, but it was also moving towards the road. It could be up a little closer to where I'm looking right now, more towards the road, but I don't know. Let's see how this looks. It's a partly cloudy day, and unfortunately it's partly right now. I was hoping the sun would be out. So I'm at 109 feet. This mission said it was going to take 9 minutes, but there's a little bit of a wind. I'm searching a little more closer towards the barn. I just hope the fucking guy that owns the land don't shoot me down. But one of the last things that I did see, I slowed the video down. I didn't, for some reason, the phone didn't record the video cache when it crashed. I have no idea why. It should have. One of the last things I did see was the small building right about, I think that's it. Can't tell. It's the smaller barn that's down there. And it seemed to be moving in this direction only towards the left a little. So if I can find it flying like this, it's great for drone deploy for me, because I can't think of a better way to search for it, honestly, instead of getting on the ground. I'd like to go a little bit lower. I probably can. Let's see how my map's doing, where I'm located. And the white building there, the one that's closer to the woods, the smaller one, that's the last thing I saw. Yeah, just half sunny, half cloudy all day. Right now it's cloudy. I was hoping the sun would be nice and bright. Freaking March. I really don't expect to be able to see it right now, but because of all the snow, but can't hurt. And as I said, I'm trying to narrow down the search grid. I raised my return to home altitude to 75 meters, which is about 245 feet. So I'm not going to worry about it coming back. As soon as the snow melts, I'm gonna make a map for the town of Castleton too. They have a place they want to put a new park in down by the river, and I promised them before the winter that I would do it, but I never had a day where I was off and free and the weather was nice. I have to do the cemetery for them too. The video that's on the GoPro is really cool. It's not stable because there's no gimbal. I stuck it to the drone with electrical tape. I ordered a bracket for it, but it's cheaper to get them from Hong Kong, but they take forever to arrive. Do one more pass, I think. 7 minutes in. Plenty of time, good battery. This is where I need to wait till it says mission accomplished or photos complete, so I don't mess it up like I did the last time. Going home. Okay, now I can cancel that. Close this app. Nope. Open DJI Go. Why is it disconnected? I guess I'm going back to DroneDeply. Let her come home. Let's see how well the auto land works. As long as it doesn't land on top of the car. Looks good. Very nice. It worked well. Now, I got a little battery. I'm going to go up again and take a pano photo. I did this wrong the last time. Pano. Okay. Back. Go up.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Trying to figure out where I want to go. Looks good. Right over my head. I've got one of those UV filters on this, polarized filter, whatever they call it. It's basically sunglasses for your drone. And they come in, I think there's steps from like 4 whatever to 36. 36 is for bright days. And it was brighter, but it's getting real cloudy. So may not have been the best fit for these lighting conditions, but whatever. It takes that sharp white edge off of everything. I hope this finishes before that annoying ass return to home. So it's successful.
Landing.
Very nice. Nice flight. You do about